Okay, so now I'm going to do a PA on Great Britain, Japan. So firstly, the correlation we can see that Japan and Great Britain is -37. So it's a correlation in a favor trade. That's one thing. Correlation in a favor. Number two, yen. Actually, we could have tried like, oh, actually the timing of the day is not good for, like, this is 6 o'clock. Then it came down. So that's the reason why I didn't try. Maybe here you can go short lah. 8 o'clock lah. Cause it's retracement, then it came back down. Okay, that's one thing. That's the issue. Number two is here we can actually play because I usually just trade the market opening. There's no need to watch like 24 hours. Then next is you can see, first of all, even though it's a downtrend, but this level here, when it came back down, right, this guy tries so hard. Then there's this high volume right over here. So when it came back out, I initially, because of this high volume and this this low volume push down, I actually entered here lah. I was trying to now. Then I scratched the trade here because of this low volume push down, and here there's a higher volume, so I get expected to here to come in. But when the market open, it crashes. It came in high volume and hit the low before resuming in my direction to on the. He didn't break another low lah. He came back to this area and the buyers bought it back up. So first mistake that I did is I tried to went long after seeing this big volume over here. Cause the first of all, the correlation is very heavily favored to be down. So it will take quite long time to digest before you going up. Especially in the 1 hour, you need to digest here first. Then it become buy. Then we can consider to do any counter trend. That's one thing. Then number two, the location I entered sell here was quite good with this area here, this resistance. I entered actually here at 9:30. I'll say okay Then it came out down here, but the volume is low so when I see this lower scratch, that's a very good decision that I made when I scratched that. Then when it came back up, I scratch here is okay. That's a good play. The bad play is I got greedy and I tried to go counter trend. That's the bad play. So I have to take it a bit. Like that decision is bad. I have to stop. Just let all the counter trend trades go on. I mean, if nothing continue, because you really don't care about the money. But I'm at a different stage compared to him. So now we only play trades with correlation in your favor. However, the handling, I think he's getting some weird trades. Where there's actually plenty of the better trades to get. So technically, if I sell here high enough, right, you can get a 2R. Here is like a 0.7R, then here's a 2R. Then it's perfect. So target wise is good. Entry good. Timing wise good. Correlation good. Trade management bad. Cause actually, generally, I don't even feel like watching the chart honestly. When this big thing come out, maybe you should consider scratching it. Okay. So 2R trade. Decent. 2.3 2.3R. One day 2.3R is like 2% a day. Maybe can 4% European. Good money. That's good money. Okay. Trade management can be better. Sizing haven't really think about it, right? So now is just need correlation. Yeah, I think quite good. See where this guy got to go.